Eco-friendly living means making choices that are good for the environment. It involves using fewer resources and creating less waste. Everyone can do it, no matter where they live or how much money they have. Small changes can make a big difference. Our planet is facing serious environmental problems. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation are just a few. By living more sustainably, we can help reduce these problems. Every action counts, from recycling to using less water. Many people think living eco-friendly is hard, but it doesn't have to be. There are many simple and easy ways to live more sustainably. This essay will show you how. You don't need to change everything all at once. Start with 1 or 2 small changes. As you get used to them, add more. Soon, eco-friendly living will be part of your daily routine. Reducing waste is one of the best ways to live more sustainably. Waste takes up space in landfills and can harm the environment. By creating less waste, we can help protect our planet. One easy way to reduce waste is to use reusable items. For example, bring your own bags when you go shopping. Use a reusable water bottle instead of buying plastic ones. These small changes can make a big difference. Another way to reduce waste is to recycle. Many items can be recycled, such as paper, plastic, and glass. Check your local recycling rules to see what can be recycled in your area. Make a habit of recycling every day. Composting is another great way to reduce waste. Food scraps and yard waste can be turned into compost. This can be used to improve soil and grow plants. Composting keeps these items out of landfills and turns them into something useful. Shopping for groceries is something we all do, often without much thought, but it can also be more eco-friendly, making a positive impact on our planet. One way to start is by buying local and seasonal foods, which are not only fresher, but also support local farmers. These use fewer resources to grow and transport, reducing the carbon footprint associated with long-distance shipping. They are also fresher and often taste better, providing a more nutritious option for your meals. Avoiding single-use plastics is another important step in sustainable shopping. Bring your own bags, containers, and produce bags to reduce plastic waste, which can take hundreds of years to decompose. Many stores also offer bulk sections where you can buy without packaging, minimizing waste. This saves on both plastic and money, making it a win-win for you and the environment. Choosing organic and sustainably sourced products is another good habit to adopt. Organic foods are grown without harmful chemicals, ensuring a healthier choice for you and the planet. Sustainable products are made in ways that do not harm the environment, promoting a healthier ecosystem. Look for certifications like Fair Trade or Rainforest Alliance, which ensure ethical and sustainable practices. Reducing food waste is also key to sustainable living. Plan your meals and buy only what you need to avoid unnecessary waste. This way, you won't throw away as much food and can compost what you can't use. If you have leftovers, find creative ways to use them or share with others, fostering a sense of community and reducing waste. Cleaning your home can also be eco-friendly. Many cleaning products contain harmful chemicals. These can pollute the air and water. Instead, use natural cleaners like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Reusable cleaning tools are another good choice. Instead of paper towels, use cloth rags or microfiber cloths. These can be washed and reused many times. A mop with a washable head is also better than disposable ones. Making your own cleaning products is easy and cheap. For example, mix vinegar and water for an all-purpose cleaner. Add a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant scent. You can find many recipes online for different cleaning needs. Another tip is to clean less often. This doesn't mean living in a dirty house, just don't use more products than you need. A little elbow grease goes a long way. Regular maintenance can also prevent the need for heavy-duty cleaning. Section 5. Greener transportation choices. How we get around can have a big impact on the environment. The choices we make every day can either contribute to pollution or help reduce it. Cars and trucks produce a lot of pollution. They emit harmful gases that contribute to air quality issues and climate change. Choosing greener transportation options can help reduce this. By making small changes, we can collectively make a big difference. Walking or biking is a great start. These modes of transport are not only eco-friendly, but also cost-effective. It's good for your health and the environment. Regular physical activity can improve your overall well-being. Public transportation is another good option. It helps reduce the number of individual vehicles on the road. Buses, trains, and subways produce less pollution per person than cars. They are efficient and can carry many passengers at once. Carpooling is also a good choice. It allows multiple people to share a single vehicle. Sharing a ride with others reduces the number of vehicles on the road. This can significantly cut down on traffic congestion and emissions. If you need to drive, consider an eco-friendly car. These vehicles are designed to be more efficient and less polluting. Electric and hybrid cars use less fuel and produce fewer emissions. They are a great alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. Regular maintenance can also help your car run more efficiently. Simple actions can lead to significant improvements in fuel economy. Keep your tires properly inflated and change the oil regularly. These small steps can make a big difference in your car's performance. Telecommuting is another way to reduce your carbon footprint. Working from home eliminates the need for a daily commute. Many jobs can be done from home. This flexibility can lead to a more sustainable lifestyle. This saves on fuel and reduces traffic. Fewer cars on the road mean less pollution and a cleaner environment. Even working from home a few days a week can make a big difference. Every small effort counts towards a greener future. Section 6. Energy-saving practices at home. Saving energy at home is an easy way to be more eco-friendly. Start by turning off lights and appliances when not in use. Unplug chargers and other electronics. They use energy even when not in use. Using energy-efficient appliances is another good step. Look for the Energy Star label. These products use less energy and water. They may cost more upfront, but save money in the long run. Heating and cooling your home uses a lot of energy. Set your thermostat a few degrees lower in winter and higher in summer. Use fans and wear appropriate clothing to stay comfortable. Insulating your home can also reduce the need for heating and cooling. Switching to renewable energy sources is another option. Solar panels can provide clean energy for your home. Many utility companies also offer green energy programs. These use wind, solar, and other renewable sources. The fashion industry is a major source of pollution, contributing significantly to environmental degradation. But you can still look good while being eco-friendly. Start by buying less. Choose quality over quantity. This simple shift can make a big difference. Invest in pieces that will last a long time. Durable clothing not only saves you money in the long run, but also reduces waste. Buying secondhand is another great option. It gives clothes a second life and keeps them out of landfills. Thrift stores and online marketplaces have many stylish options. You can find unique pieces that stand out. This keeps clothes out of landfills and reduces the demand for new items. Recycling clothes is a key part of a sustainable wardrobe. Swapping clothes with friends is also a fun way to refresh your wardrobe. It's like shopping for free and helps everyone involved. Supporting sustainable brands is also important. These companies are committed to reducing their environmental impact. Look for companies that use eco-friendly materials and ethical practices. This ensures that your fashion choices are not harming the planet. Certifications like GOTS and Fair Trade can help you find these brands. These labels guarantee that the products meet high environmental and social standards. Many companies also offer recycling programs for old clothes. Participating in these programs can help close the loop in the fashion cycle. Taking care of your clothes can make them last longer. Proper maintenance is key to extending the life of your garments. Wash them in cold water and hang them to dry. This not only saves energy, but also preserves the fabric. Avoid dry cleaning if possible. Look for eco-friendly alternatives that are less harmful to the environment. Mending and repairing clothes is also a good habit. It allows you to keep your favorite pieces in rotation for longer. It saves money and reduces waste. By making small repairs, you can significantly extend the life of your clothing. Water is a precious resource. Conserving it is important for the environment. Start by fixing leaks. A dripping faucet can waste a lot of water over time. Check your plumbing and fix any leaks as soon as possible. Using water-saving fixtures is another good step. Low-flow showerheads and faucets use less water without sacrificing performance. A dual-flush toilet can also save a lot of water. These are easy to install and can make a big difference. Changing your habits can also help conserve water. Take shorter showers and turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Only run the dishwasher and washing machine with full loads. Collecting rainwater for gardening is another good idea. Landscaping can also be more water efficient. Choose native plants that require less water. Mulching can help retain moisture in the soil. Watering in the early morning or late evening reduces evaporation. These small changes can save a lot of water. Minimalism is about living with less. It can make your life simpler and more eco-friendly. Start by decluttering your home. Keep only what you need and love. Donate or sell the rest. Buying less is another key aspect. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you really need it. Choose quality items that will last a long time. This reduces waste and saves money. Digital minimalism is also important. Reduce your digital footprint by unsubscribing from emails and deleting unused apps. This can make your life simpler and reduce energy use. Minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices. Focus on experiences rather than things. Spend time with loved ones, enjoy nature, and pursue hobbies. A minimalist lifestyle can bring more joy and less stress. Living eco-friendly is about making small, simple changes. These changes can add up to make a big difference. Start with 1 or 2 new habits. As you get used to them, add more. Everyone can make a difference. By reducing waste, conserving energy, and choosing sustainable options, we can help protect our planet. Share these tips with friends and family. Together, we can create a greener world. The time to act is now. Our planet needs us to make better choices. Let's start today. Make eco-friendly living a part of your daily routine. Every small step counts. Let's make a positive impact on the environment, one habit at a time.